Hola chicos, it's Miss Powell here for some important information and the chance for extra credit. So the summer session is quickly coming to an end and it ends this Thursday, July 28th. What that means is that July 28th up until midnight, that will be the last day to complete any coursework as well as the final exam. So July 28th at midnight is that ultimate deadline for any of the coursework and the exam. Please keep in mind you can redo and review any assignment for a better grade, and also keep in mind that as we come to a close with this semester that you may need to allow a little bit more time for the review process to happen, as well as keep in mind you may not have that opportunity to redo an assignment that was completed, let's say, on Thursday close to midnight. So with that being said, I want to show where the final exam will be located and just a little bit of information about it. The final exam is listed at the very bottom of all of the units in a class. So I opened up Start here and you can see final exam and it is available at the bottom. Once you click here, the final exam is Open Notebook and you can review and redo this assessment as well. So you will use the word Spanish in order to complete it as well as to review it, and you can take it multiple times. So the final exam is listed here and it is set to close on Thursday at midnight, so please be sure to complete this prior to that deadline. So the chance for extra credit is if you send me a message, it can be in the inbox that's located here, or it can be via text or an email with the ultimate deadline, which is July 28th at midnight, you will have the chance for extra credit. Please know that I'm here to help you, and I hope that you are doing fantastic.